Tucked into the lush green hillsides of Manuel Antonio on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, Gaia Hotel and Reserve is one of those places that seems to exist in its own quiet corner of the world. Sitting just off the road at kilometer 27 in the Manuel Antonio area of Quipos, this five-star adults-only property has built a strong reputation among travelers looking for a genuine slice of the rainforest without giving up any of the comforts they expect from a top-tier resort. With a Booking.com score of 9.1 based on just over 100 guest reviews, it clearly leaves an impression on the people who make the trip. This is not the kind of place you stumble across by accident, and that seems to be the point. The whole experience feels designed for grown-ups who want to slow down and pay attention to the world around them. Before diving into the details, it is worth setting expectations. Gaia is not a sprawling mega-resort with 1,000 rooms and a shopping arcade. It is a boutique jungle retreat where the wildlife is a genuine part of the stay, the pace is deliberately slower, and the setting does most of the heavy lifting. Reviewers have described it with phrases like top-notch service and fantastic view teeming with wildlife, which tells you almost everything you need to know about the flavor of the place. If that sounds like the kind of trip that appeals to you, the rest of this review will walk through what to expect from the rooms, the dining, the pools, the activities, the wellness offerings, the surrounding area, and the little touches that seem to define a stay here. Because Gaia is a smaller boutique-style property in the rainforest, the accommodations lean towards suites and villas rather than the standard hotel room layouts you might find at a chain resort. Rooms at properties like this in Manuel Antonio typically emphasize large windows and private terraces, giving guests a chance to wake up looking straight into the treetops. Many suites in this area are built to catch views of the Pacific Ocean over the canopy, which is one of the signature experiences of staying on this stretch of coastline. Expect natural wood finishes, warm, neutral color palettes, and layouts that make the outdoors feel like part of the room. For couples, that combination of privacy and connection to nature is often the whole point of coming here. Because the hotel is adults only, the rooms are set up more for couples and solo travelers than for families, and the atmosphere reflects that. Guests can generally expect the kind of quiet, well-appointed spaces that make it easy to unwind after a day of exploring. Amenities typically include comfortable bedding, air conditioning that handles the humid climate, well-stocked bathrooms, and small touches like coffee service in the room. Some suites in properties of this class also feature soaking tubs, outdoor showers, or plunge pools attached to the terrace. It is the kind of setup where you might find yourself skipping an activity just to spend an extra hour in your own space with the sound of birds outside. Accessibility can be a real consideration at a jungle property built into a hillside, since the terrain does not always cooperate with flat pathways. Boutique hotels in this region often address that with shuttle service between different levels of the property, so guests do not have to hike up and down slopes with luggage. It is always a good idea to contact the hotel directly if mobility is a concern, since certain rooms and viewpoints are naturally easier to reach than others. For most guests without those concerns, the elevation is actually part of the charm, because it is what gives you those big open views across the rainforest and out to the ocean. Dining at Gaia is centered on La Luna Restaurant, which is the property's signature venue and one of the most talked about aspects of a stay here. Restaurants perched on hillsides in Manuel Antonio have a reputation for delivering some of the best sunset views in the country, and La Luna is often mentioned in the same breath. The cuisine at high-end Costa Rican resorts typically blends local ingredients like fresh seafood, tropical fruits, plantains, and rice-based dishes with international flavors, giving guests a chance to try something new without straying too far from familiar comfort food. Expect fresh fish caught from the nearby Pacific, seasonal produce, and creative takes on regional classics. Breakfast in particular tends to be a highlight at properties like this, with tropical fruit spreads that make the standard hotel buffet look sad by comparison. Beyond the main restaurant, guests can generally expect a bar or lounge area where cocktails, local beers, and Costa Rican coffee take center stage. Costa Rica is famous for its coffee, and it would be a serious oversight if a five-star property in the country did not treat that seriously. Cocktail menus at resorts like Gaia often feature tropical flavors like passion fruit, guava, and fresh lime, mixed with local spirits such as Garo. The setting itself does a lot of the work when it comes to atmosphere, since sipping a drink while watching monkeys move through the trees is a hard experience to top. Even a simple glass of wine turns into a memorable moment when the backdrop is a Costa Rican sunset spilling across the ocean. For guests who want variety, Manuel Antonio itself has a small but interesting collection of restaurants within a short drive, ranging from casual beachside spots serving fresh ceviche to more polished dining rooms that specialize in seafood and steaks. Many visitors staying at Gaia use it as their base and venture out for a meal or two during their stay, then return for the more intimate experience of dining on the property. That combination of options gives couples a nice balance between relaxing at the resort and exploring the local food scene without ever feeling like they have to leave the area entirely. The pool at Gaia is one of the features that consistently draws attention in guest photos and reviews. Boutique resorts in this part of Costa Rica typically feature infinity-style pools designed to visually spill out into the surrounding jungle or ocean view. That kind of setup creates the sensation of swimming right at the edge of the rainforest, with nothing between you and the horizon except a thin line of water. The pool deck usually includes plenty of loungers, shaded areas for guests who want a break from the sun, and attentive service that keeps drinks and towels coming without needing to be asked. For adults looking to just float and read for a few hours, this is exactly the kind of setup that delivers. Manuel Antonio is famous for its beaches, and while Gaia itself sits up in the hills rather than directly on the sand, guests are only a short shuttle ride away from some of the best coastline in the country. Vicente Beach is one of the closest and most beloved spots in the area, known for its calm turquoise waters, soft sand, and sheltered cove that makes it ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Because it is tucked between two forested points, it tends to feel more private and peaceful than the busier beaches nearby. This is a great option for guests who want a proper ocean day without the crowds that can sometimes gather at the main public beaches. Loungers and beach umbrellas are usually available for rent right on the sand. Water activities in the area go well beyond just swimming. Manuel Antonio is a hub for guided snorkeling trips, catamaran cruises, kayaking excursions, and stand-up paddleboarding on calmer stretches of water. Sport fishing is another major draw along this coastline, with charters heading out to catch marlin, sailfish, dorado, and tuna in the deeper Pacific waters. Even for guests who prefer to stay closer to the resort, the combination of pool time and easy beach access provides more than enough variety to fill several days without ever feeling repetitive. Activities at Gaia and in the surrounding area lean heavily on the natural environment, and that is by design. The Manuel Antonio region is one of the most biodiverse places in Costa Rica, which means the activity menu is packed with guided hikes, wildlife tour, canopy walks, and zipline adventures through the rainforest. Guests staying at a property like Gaia often find themselves booking a guided visit to Manuel Antonio National Park, which is right down the road and considered one of the crown jewels of the Costa Rican park system. Monkeys, sloths, iguanas, and hundreds of bird species are common sightings, and a good guide can turn a walk in the woods into one of the most memorable experiences of the whole trip. For guests who prefer something a little more active, the region offers whitewater rafting on nearby rivers, horseback riding through the hills, and even guided mangrove tour by boat. Fitness options at the resort itself typically include a small but well-equipped gym for guests who like to keep up with their routine while traveling. Cultural experiences are also part of the mix, with opportunities to learn about traditional Costa Rican coffee production, cacao farming, and the country's strong environmental conservation ethic. The idea of pura vida, the pure life philosophy that Costa Ricans famously live by, gets communicated not just through words but through the pace and priorities of the entire experience. The spa and wellness side of Gaia is one of the property's real strengths, and it fits perfectly with the surrounding jungle setting. Treatments at high-end Costa Rican spas often draw on local ingredients like coffee, cacao, coconut, and tropical fruits, turning something as simple as a body scrub into a mini tour of the country's agricultural bounty. Massages are typically offered in a range of styles, from deep tissue and Swedish to more specialized options like couples treatments, hot stone therapy, and aromatherapy sessions. Facials and body wraps round out the menu, giving guests plenty of options to spend a lazy afternoon being pampered. The setting itself, surrounded by rainforest sounds, tends to make the treatments feel even more restorative than they would in a more urban environment. Wellness at a property like Gaia often extends beyond the treatment rooms. Guests can generally expect access to yoga sessions, meditation opportunities, and quiet spaces to just sit and reset. The combination of natural sounds, clean air, and a slower pace makes it easier for guests to actually unwind, which is not always the case at busier resorts. For anyone who has been running on empty and needs a proper reset, a few days here can go a long way toward putting things right. It is the kind of place where the wellness experience is not just a checklist item but part of the whole philosophy of the stay. Because Gaia is an adults-only property, there is no dedicated kids club or children's programming, and the atmosphere is intentionally geared toward couples, honeymooners, and travelers looking for a quieter escape. Families with young children who want to visit Manuel Antonio would be better served looking at one of the many family-friendly resorts in the area, of which there are plenty. For everyone else, the absence of children is often part of the appeal, since it allows the property to lean fully into a calmer, more grown-up rhythm. Manuel Antonio is one of the most popular destinations in Costa Rica, and the surrounding area has plenty to offer beyond the resort grounds. Manuel Antonio National Park is the biggest draw, and it is just a short drive away. The park combines dense rainforest with pristine beaches, making it possible to spot wildlife in the morning and then relax on the sand in the afternoon without ever leaving the protected area. Nearby, Quipos serves as the local hub for restaurants, shops, and the marina, which is the launching point for many of the fishing charters and boat tour in the region. Guests looking for souvenirs or local crafts will find plenty of small shops and galleries scattered along the road connecting Quipos to Manuel Antonio. Vicente Beach is another nearby favorite, offering calmer waters than some of the more open coastline and a quieter atmosphere. Beyond the immediate area, day trips can take guests to nearby waterfalls, rainforest reserves, and even further afield to attractions like the Noyaca waterfalls. The combination of beaches, jungle, and small-town Costa Rican culture within a compact geographic area is one of the reasons Manuel Antonio remains such a popular stop for international travelers. Taking everything together, Gaia Hotel and Reserve delivers a specific and well-executed experience for a specific kind of traveler. The strengths are clear and they show up consistently in guest feedback. Top-notch service, spectacular views, abundant wildlife, and a peaceful atmosphere are the recurring themes, and the Booking.com score of 9.1 across 100+ reviews backs up those impressions. The property leans into what makes Costa Rica special rather than trying to compete with generic beach resorts, and that focus pays off. Weaker points are mostly a function of what the property is not. It is not a sprawling beachfront resort, so guests looking for that specific experience will need to travel down to the coast rather than roll out of bed onto the sand. It is not family-friendly since it is adults only. And it is not the cheapest option in the area, which is fair given the level of service and setting. For travelers who understand what they are signing up for, however, those trade-offs are usually part of the appeal rather than a drawback. What really sets Gaia apart is the way it integrates the natural environment into every part of the guest experience. The wildlife is not a decoration, it is a genuine presence, and guests routinely mention spotting monkeys, sloths, toucans, and other creatures right from the property. The combination of jungle setting, ocean views, adults-only atmosphere, and boutique-scale service creates something that feels distinctly different from the standard resort formula. That distinctiveness is the main reason guests recommend it so consistently. Boutique jungle properties like Gaia typically host small events such as intimate weddings, honeymoons, anniversaries, and small group retreats rather than large corporate conferences. The setting is well suited to romantic occasions and small gatherings that benefit from a memorable backdrop, and the property tends to handle these events with the same attention to detail that shows up in everyday guest service. Anyone considering the property for a private event would be best served by contacting the hotel directly to work out the specifics of what can be arranged. The guest experience highlights that come up again and again in reviews tend to focus on small, human moments. Staff who remember guest names, who point out a sloth in a nearby tree, or who quietly refresh a drink at exactly the right moment. Meals that arrive beautifully plated with views that make even a simple breakfast feel special. Sunsets watched from the pool deck with a cocktail in hand and howler monkeys calling from the surrounding forest. It is these small moments, more than any single grand feature, that seem to define what a stay at Gaia Hotel and Reserve actually feels like, and they explain why guests leave with such strong impressions of the place. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.